Dr. Yvette here with Dr. Yvette's Route, and welcome back. So today's video includes tree removal. If you've been watching my channel for a little while, you know that this poor little red maple tree does not have life. So I have finally made a decision to go ahead and dig it up and replace it with a short palm that I will get very soon. In the meantime, I'm going to dig it up and just prepare this area for our sprinkler system that is going in. So I let Mert do all of the hard work while I stand back and film and supervise. And then later in this video, you will see that we have bought more raised beds. Although my family has a farm and my uncle and my cousins, they farm very heavy, I would like to have my food a little bit closer to the house than having to go down to the farm. And except for everything that they plant right in front of my house in that open field. But I really appreciate you watching my video. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing because my videos are about my life here as a beginning gardener and new to the farm life that my husband and his family has always lived. Happy gardening. Everything that we are doing, I have to watch a video or read an article on. So I really don't know how to prune a palm tree other than just reading what articles and photos and videos have told us. And so I am supervising Mert while he's trimming this tree. Oh, but wish us luck. Hopefully we did not kill it. So I made a decision to paint these benches because they are a chartreuse instead of a mint green, and I would have been fine with the mint green up against the woodland green bench that I already had there. But I decided to paint them a woodland green to keep all the benches in this new garden area the same color. And then after I spray painted one, and my helper spray painted the other one, we noticed that we used two different dark greens. So I actually had to move one of the benches to another area and trade it out so that at least two of the greens would match over the three. Here is the new garden area. I have 3 benches there. The water feature is going in the middle. You see the pole sticking up there for the electricity. So I'm all set to start planting. We have additional garden beds going in. I think we have 4 silver and 1 more green that's going in. To prep the new garden bed, I start to rake up all of the leaves that come from the oak tree and the pine trees that are out there. And what we do is we fill the garden bed with cardboard, leaves, and then dirt. And yes, I am still raking leaves because we have 4 beds to fill up, and leaves breaking down is one of the ways to fill the bed without having to use so much dirt. Okay, if you made it this far in the video, thank you for continuing to watch. Mert is preparing to put the dirt in the raised beds. We had a dump truck deliver the dirt, and it runs anywhere from $200 to $300 per dump truck load, which is more reasonable for us because we're actually going to use some of the dirt to build up areas, low areas in our garden. But here Mert is filling up these first 2 beds with dirt.